Okay, by now you should have downloaded the MT5 setup.exe file. So let's right-click on the file and select Open. In my case, I have a German Windows PC, so now I need to confirm this security warning that I want to execute the file. And yes, I want to confirm that MetaTrader 5 should be installed. Here is the installation wizard. In my case, it comes in German, and I need to read and confirm the terms and conditions. So let's click on Continue. Now some files need to be downloaded to complete the installation process. This could take a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection, but in my case it should be finished within a few seconds. Okay, now the installation process has finished. A website opens. I could now create a new account on mql5.com. I already have one, so let's close this window. Wait for a few seconds. And here you can see that MetaTrader 5 is starting right away. That was the basic setup process. I will see you in the next video where we will connect an account.